Hi there, my name is Jay Kent. I'm just recording this quick video to share with Mr. Coffee customer support, as I just reached out to your service hotline and could not be helped. I just cleaned this unit in accordance with the handbook, and now that it's plugged in and I go to reassemble it like this, you can hear that it starts grinding by itself. And I've attempted to leave it on to see if it would stop at some point, but no, it just continues to grind. I've tried to do the hard reset by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then restarting it, and it continues. I've also checked the handbook. There's no troubleshooting steps for this. I called customer support and they said they cannot help me because there are no instructions and I'm outside my warranty.
Stuck all around the edges, all around the rim here, and even inside the unit itself in there. It comes with a tiny, I pulled it out already, a tiny little brush here meant to help you get it out. But so far it's been ineffective. I'm going to have to go ahead and try and deep clean it, but so far it's a 3-star. I'll change that if it's able to be cleaned with a better brush, because I did order more.
Not easy to do with one hand.
Why don't we just clean this thing up?
It's plugged in. Nothing. This is pushed in all the way. I got a dud.